Hi children, welcome to online session for math class. Okay, in last class we have learned North State and capital. In this class we will learn about Northeastern State. Let us see about first Northeastern State and capital, then bordering of northeast countries. Okay students, once again I remember to North State. I remember the North State for your memory. What are the North State? Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. What are they? Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar is Jammu summer capital and Jammu as winter capital. And second, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital Simla. Punjab capital Chandigarh. Uttaranchal capital Dehradun. Haryana capital New Delhi. Delhi and Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow. And Bihar capital Patna. Okay students, now let us go to Northeast State. Okay, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. These states are located in east side of India. Okay, now I tell about capital. Assam. What is the capital of Assam? Dispur. What is the capital of Assam? Dispur. Arunachal Pradesh capital? Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh capital? Itanagar. And Manipur. Manipur capital? Imphal. Meghalaya capital Silla. Mizoram Ajwal. Mizoram Ajwal. Nagaland capital Kohima. Tripura capital Agartala. Okay students, now I explain about eastern neighboring countries. Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh and then Myanmar are neighboring countries of India, located in east side. Located in east side. Okay. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura is called seven sisters. Why? You know? Yeah, because they are interdependent on one another. All these states are connected to India via Siliguri Goriadar. Hence, that is the only way to reach the seven sister state. Okay, students. Who is the brother of seven sister? You know? The seven sister states are continuous states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram Nagaland and Tripura in northeastern India, and so neighbor Sikkim. This state's nearest Sikkim is called only brother of seven sisters state. Okay, seven sisters name. Sisters brother. Who is the seven sisters brother? Students, Assam is border with Bhutan and as well as Bangladesh. What? Assam is border with Bhutan as well as Bangladesh. Mizoram is border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. The West Bengal border with Bhutan as well as Bangladesh. West Bengal also border with Bhutan as well as Bangladesh in a north side of West Bengal. Okay. Mizoram. Mizoram is border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Mizoram is border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Traffic of Cancer passes through here in two states. What are two states? Mizoram and Tripura. Mizoram and Tripura. Tripura is very close to the Traffic of Cancer. Arunachal Pradesh is easternmost point of India. Gujarat is westernmost part of India. And then Kanyakumari is southmost point of India. Okay. Nepal has located in Mount Everest. This is highest peak in the world. 8,848 meters. How much? 8,848 meters. Arunachal Pradesh is easternmost point of India. Meghalaya is the spotland of India. Spotland of India. Students, India extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Okay, again one time. India extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east.